In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast wireless charging on this Samsung. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access device care. Then hit battery. Scroll all the way down again and tap on charging settings. Then use this switcher next to fast charging to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also click on fast charging on the left, manage it from here and read all of those informations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!